Your nutritional needs are not a one-size-fits-all. They are unique to you, influenced by factors such as your age, gender, and activity level. For instance, an active man will require different nutritional intake compared to a sedentary 50-year-old woman. This distinction is essential when choosing the right foods for your diet. The right balance of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, coupled with essential vitamins and minerals, can help fuel your body optimally. Moreover, understanding your nutritional needs can prevent you from falling into the trap of fad diets that may lack essential nutrients.